Right, so we're here at Chimney Top Trails, getting ready to do the second part of the trail. Well, it's actually a different trail, but I thought I would give you a little view right here. This is letting you know, it's basically just talking about how in recent years there's been quite a few fatalities out here on the cliff's edge, because this place is, let's be honest, this place is really high. And a lot of times you'll be walking in areas that's got edges and stuff that you can fall off of. And some people like to get a little crazy and go to the edge, and then next thing you know, they slip, they fall, they die. Don't be that guy, because I'm not gonna be that guy either. So, as I like to always do, when we're out here on these trails, I like to show that there is places that you can sit, which, you know, we're not very far from the entrance, but maybe this is for the way back when you get tired from walking. But I still like to always add the benches onto the video, just to let you know how crazy or uncrazy, or if there are stuff like that on these hikes. I just think it's good information to know. Now this trail is considered an easy trail, which most of the stuff, because I just recently started hiking and doing these trails and stuff like that, most of the stuff I do tends to be on the easier to moderate level. And eventually, I believe I might work my way up, and this channel's way up to doing, you know, more difficult stuff. But as of right now, this is for mainly beginners who's wanting to enjoy little hikes and stuff like that, and want to know where they can find cool, beautiful places such as Chimney Top Trail out here in the Red River Gorge. And let me just say, this park is a beautifully well-maintained area, as I like to take pride in Kentucky, and that's one thing that I've seen in most Kentucky parks, is that we like to keep our parks clean. And I respect any state or any people that want to do that with their parks, because there's nothing worse than having a filthy park where people throw their trash and stuff on the ground and ruin this beautiful, beautiful world we have. Now, I'm not too sure, but there's obviously some kind of big bird nest over there in that tree. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if that would be like a hawk's nest. I don't even know if hawks have nests, but it's a humongous nest, whatever it may be. Now, when I'm doing these hikes, what I like to do is I use the All Trails. I think it's All Trails app. I believe so. And I'm not sponsored by this, so, but I use that, and it keeps me basically, I don't know if you can see that. I don't know how well it's going to show up. But basically, as long as you get somewhat of a connection, it'll actually keep you on the trail and show the way that you're supposed to go. So I use that app, and it comes in handy for people that especially are beginners like myself. Should always do something like that. At least that, or do like a print off or something like that of stuff of the map, unless you're doing easy ones. This one is not too bad, because this one you pretty much walk up and then come all the way back. So we're standing over here at a cliff edge. As you can see right here, if you're going to be crazy and you're going to be a little bit wild, coming out here to these cliff edges like that is possibly how people's died here. It's a little bit scary. And about where I'm standing is as close as I'm getting. I'm not getting any closer, but this is an absolutely gorgeous view. All right, so we're coming up on to the end of the Chimney Top Trail here at Red River Gorge. Thought I'd bring the video back up so you guys could get a first-hand view as soon as I see it too. Might be a little bit cooler that way. Do not climb over railing. Many have fallen to their death. All right, let's go check out this bad boy. All right, so here it is. Oh. Now, one of the things I wish I would have came here. It's November right now, at the beginning of November, while I'm here, while filming. Oh my gosh. That's absolutely terrifying right there. But I wish I would have came out here early, or closer to around mid to late October. Probably would have been nice. Oh, this is amazing. This is sick. Whew. Look at that. Look at the cliff. Oh my gosh. Beautiful out here. All right, so with that being said, you've seen this beautiful trail right here. This is the Chimney Top Trail here in Red River Gorge. The previous trail we went on was the Sky Bridge hike, or Sky Bridge Trail, whatever you want to call it. But this is my first experience ever being out here at Red River Gorge in Kentucky. And I gotta say, it's been amazing. And I plan on coming back here again whenever these trees have recovered and we've got some nice lush green, and maybe we'll do a video on another hike out here at the gorge. There is, from what I hear, there's a ton of different places that you can check out here with numerous hikes. So we're gonna be here quite a bit. One, because I'm from Kentucky, so it's a lot easier for me to get somewhere like this. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.